Hello, croeso nôl.
Croeso nôl. That was
I
me.
copied you then. Hello.
Oh, mae'n boeth yn y studio
Mae'n boeth, yeah.
Yeah, remember? Mae'n boeth, mae'n
Boeth,
oer,
mae'n warm.
mae'n braf,
Sunny.
mae'n gymylog.
I don't know what that was, but it's something to do with the tywydd. Isn't it?
Da iawn,
Yeah.
da iawn.
Eyo.
Mae Yvonne Evans, y cyflwynydd tywydd yn y studio hefo ni heddiw. Rwan ta, mae Yvonne yn dod o Abereiron yn wreiddiol.
Oh, really? I thought Aberystwyth.
Na, Abereiron.
Abereiron, oh,
Abereiron,
okay.
ie. Ac mae hi yn gweithio fel cyflwynydd tywydd ar S4C. Roedd hi'n gweithio yn Radio Cymru.
Aha.
BBC am 10 mlynedd, dwi'n meddwl. Yn gweithio fel cynhyrchydd, producer, radio yna, ac wedyn...
Merched smart.
Yndi. Ac yn darllen y tywydd ac yn sôn am yr traffig ar y radio.
Yeah.
Ac hefyd, mae hi, o'n i ddim yn gwybod hyn, mae hi wedi ennill cap yn chwarae rygbi cyffwrdd i Gymru.
No way.
Dyna ddiddorol.
That's very interesting.
Mae hi wedi teithio Africa, Nicaragua, dwi'n meddwl.
Really?
Dwi'n meddwl. Gawn ni siarad gyda hi.
Yeah, we'll have a chat.
Holl
We'll get it all out there.
Iawn te. Wyt ti'n barod am dy
barod,
werth
Cariad.
Gymraeg?
Yeah, got my tea.
Ffwrdd â ni.
Woo, it's a lot. It's like the Star Wars
Fi'n
opening
fawr.
sequence again, isn't it? Look at that.
Iawn.
Sut wyt ti'n mwynhau? What do you like?
Yeah, how do you enjoy, literally? So you say, so I should have put a dot at the
You
end.
should have.
There, but there wasn't much room. Ti'n gweld?
There's not much room for much on there, is it?
How do you enjoy, presenting the weather? How would you say that?
Sut wyt ti'n mwynhau cyflwyno tywydd?
Oh, iawn. Wedyn, beth ydi sut o ti'n mwynhau? What does that mean? Sut wyt ti'n mwynhau? Sut o ti'n mwynhau?
How did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Sut wyt ti'n mwynhau chwarae rygbi i Gymru?
Ardderchog.
Treiglo and everything.
Da iawn.
For that. Do I get a gold star?
Seren
Eventually.
aur.
Seren aur.
Definitely.
Da iawn.
Beth am, sut nes di fwynhau?
Sut nes ti? Do you do same?
It's the same.
You did.
Sut o
Did
ti'n
you enjoy?
mwynhau?
Yeah.
How did you enjoy something that you did for a long time? Sut nes di fwynhau? How did you enjoy it? Usually something you've kind of done once. It's
Like
started.
you've just... Oh, right, okay.
And it's finished. So, how did you enjoy Nicaragua, for example, yeah? She went, and then she came from there, so it was a short period.
All right.
So, how did you enjoy Africa?
Sut nes ti fwynhau Africa?
Da iawn. Or travelling Africa? Beth ydi travelling?
Beth wyt ti... Sut nes ti fwynhau daith Africa?
Yeah, y daith i Africa.
Yeah?
Matt Johnson, ardderchog.
We're in the swing of things now,
Ti'n
sweetheart.
iawn, right.
Yes, we
Gawn
are.
ni weld beth sy'n digwydd nesa.
Wyt ti'n dal i?
Beth ydi dal i? Ti'n gwybod?
Tall?
Ti'n iawn. Tal mutates to dal sometimes, so it looks like that, means
Okay.
tall, but it also means still. You know?
Oh, do you still like...
Do you still? So do you still play touch rugby?
Okay. Wyt ti'n dal i touch?
Play?
Chwarae?
Rugby. Touch is cyffwrdd.
Cyffwrdd, I can remember that. Wyt ti'n dal i chwarae cyffwrdd rygbi?
Other way round?
Rygbi cyffwrdd.
Yeah. So ask me again.
Wyt ti'n dal i chwarae rygbi cyffwrdd?